episode number 39, an episode on rich partywear collection in variety of fabrics from Sanskriti Kolkata, myself Lalia Dattagupta. So in this episode, I'll be showing variety of partywear collection which will be comprising of blings, rich embroidery, rich fabrics, bright work. So let's start. This is product number 1 in silk net. These are not the stiff nets, these are soft silk net, and I'll show you the finish also. All over embroidery. I usually do all over embroidery so that if anybody feels uncomfortable to wear too transparent ones, so this embroidery helps it a lot. All over work. Product number 1, 8,350 rupees. See, I've done the finishing. It has satin fall attached already, so you don't need a fall. This is the satin fall that is attached. This is the back side of the work. All over embroidery thread work in a color, light moss green color, a very nice, unique, dusty shade of green. And this is the whole sari. The whole sari will have embroidery. This is till the end. Just see the work. Fully thread work in red, orange, peach. And this is the sari. A very smart look with blouse piece in net also. The border will be given. Product number 1. Fall already attached, totally party wear, very smart look. Product number 2 in silk, Dupion silk. It is slightly blended, 2080, but very soft and good quality. Only 5,990 rupees with Zardozi handwork. This is gold Zardozi handwork with stones and zari all over buta. Here goes the pallu. 5,990 rupees. I'll show you more colors in this. So this is the whole sari, a very smart black soft silk, and the smartest part is the blouse piece because I've given a contrast blouse of red. This is the whole look. Only 5,990 rupees. Product number 2. And this is another pretty color, milk white and red combination. Same sari, white and red with similar Zardozi embroidery. Product number 3. Again with a red blouse. This is the blouse piece. Even white will look very nice because of the gold and red. In a party you will really stand out when you are wearing milk white with red. এটা একটা ভীষণ সুন্দর deep bottle green color, deep viridian green, dark green with red combination. Similar zari work. দেখুন আমি ধরে আছি কত soft fabricটা, পরেও আরাম পাবেন. 5,990 rupees. Episode number 39, product number 4. Just you have to take the screenshot of the product and WhatsApp me along with the description. Details description is already given. The Facebook link, the Insta link is also going. So these you will find in the partywear album in Facebook page. So you can see the still photograph out there also if you want to see more pictures of the product. But it's all on first come first serve basis, so you have to be quick with your bookings so that I don't have to tell you sold out. I know it's pretty disappointing when you browse through so many and then the products get sold out. So do subscribe, then you'll get immediate notifications once the videos are uploaded in YouTube. This is also very nice one. This is a lovely chinon sari with Banarasi blouse piece. Crepe chinon. See the soft, how soft it is. Lemon yellow, deep lemon with thread work. Price again 5,990 rupees, 5990. The back part will also have the piping attached. This is the piping. 5,990 rupees. This is the whole sari, but you know the beauty will be in the blouse piece, because I suggest again you make a long sleeve blouse piece, because then the sari will stand out. The sari all over butta with a little long 3/4 or 3/4 nowadays, it's not, I don't find it very fashionable now, but you can make this much sleeves, glass sleeves, it will look very nice. This is a beautiful peach color, similar type. Two colors I am showing, two very soothing color, peach with rani, all over butta with zari and resham. I'll just show you one of the butta closely. This is the zari part, this is the resham part, orange and rani, all over, very lightweight, soft chinon. And this throughout, just see how I'm draping it so that you can understand how lightweight and comfortable it will be. And here goes the Petni Banarasi blouse piece. The blouse piece is in silk chanderi. This is the blouse piece. Very smart look once you complete wearing it with this particular blouse itself. 5,990 rupees. Parties are incomplete without black. So here is one with black net, black on black thread work. Just see the work. Throughout embroidery with black stones, all over net embroidery. I'll show you this way, then you can understand the work. Throughout embroidery, all over work. So this way you can understand the work. It's a very smart sari, black, jet black. With crochet border. 8,950 rupees, 8,950 with running black net blouse with stone work. These are all very soft, good quality net. This is the blouse piece with little stones in it. No, the blouse is plain only. There's just the border, no stones. The border will have the stone work. This is the blouse piece. So I suggest you can make the net sleeves short, cap sleeves in net and the body in black silk. You can make a very close neck, boat neck black blouse in silk and the cap sleeves in net. So there's another one in net, burgundy color. All over thread work in self to self work. This border will have Parsi embroidery with stones. See the work. Product number 8, price 8350, 8,350 rupees and all over self embroidery with contrast butta. This is the pallu, it will be running. The border will, Parsi border will just go around. পুরোটা ঘুরে যাবে কাজটা, একদম পুরোটা এরকম ভাবে কাজটা আসছে আর শেষ অবধি একদম জাল এমব্রয়ডারি। আমিও কিন্তু একটা লেস পরে আছি, কিন্তু আমিও কিন্তু কটন পেটিকোট পরে আছি। আমি একদম ওল্ড স্কুল টাইপ, সো আমি এখনও স্যাটিন পেটিকোট আমার একটাও নেই, মানে আই অলওয়েজ প্রেফার কটন পেটিকোটস। কারণ আমি অল ওভার কাজগুলোই বেশি বানাই। দেখুন এই অল ওভার কাজের মধ্যে খুবই সুন্দর কমফোর্টেবল লাগে, বাট অফকোর্স if you are comfortable with satin petticoat, always go for it. This is the beadwork blouse. The blouse piece will be in beadwork. Just make sure the color matches. কালারটা ম্যাচ করলে না আপনার কোনো অসুবিধা হবে না, যে কোনো পেটিকোট দিয়ে আপনি পরতে পারবেন। পুরোটা এরকম ভাবে আসছে 8350। Now this is in Georgette with Ari Kashmiri. I myself have the same sari. It's a very rich Kashmiri work sari in Ari with Zardozi Katdana border. You can see the picture in Sui Dhaga collection in Facebook page. Also in party wear album. See the work. All over Kashmiri, Ari Kashmiri embroidery with Zardozi Katdana border to give it a little bling in the border, and also it will not fall off if it's little heavy border. And this is the pallu. It will go running pallu. Same pallu all over, and the base color is not black, it's midnight blue. Beautiful shade of midnight blue throughout embroidery till the end, with running blouse piece. The blouse piece will have plain with this Katdana border. Since the work is all over, I have not given much to the blouse, just the border. This is the look. This is 9,950 rupees, 9950, and the same sari in a lovely shade of red. 9,950 rupees in red. Throughout embroidery with little stone highlights, very little subtle stone highlights just throughout. This is again the Katdana border, and this is the sari. Very smart look, all over work. This is the look. Again with the same red blouse with the border. Okay, let me show you the back part. This is the back part. This is the blouse piece. Now product number 11, price 16,900 rupees, Ari Kashmiri all over, extremely rich thread work throughout the sari in pastel color, light peach color, all over work, Ari Kashmiri with hand work, Katdana throughout. Just see the work. I don't like too much bling, so the Katdana is also self to self. This is the pallu. Actually it's all over work, no separate pallu. The work will be all over. Here comes the pleats part. See the pleat part. The base color is light cream with peachish and orangish work. This is the sari. Very rich. This is and this is the blouse piece, plain with the border. This will be the blouse piece. Stone work. Similar type but in a deeper shade, rich maroon Kashmiri embroidery, Ari Kashmiri embroidery. Price rupees 14,800 rupees, 14,800 in Georgette. See the work, the intricacy of the work, the craftsmanship. I'll show you each butta. Just see how well the work has been done. The threads, the color combination, the finish. Beautiful work. The back side. This is the whole saree. This is the look. Ideal for wedding wear. If you want to go to any formal occasion, weddings. Throughout work. This is the work. Till the end. This is the blouse piece. Sleeves. Again, if you're liking the products, please do like, share and subscribe. Then you will get regular notifications of the next video that I'll be uploading. You can see if you miss out on these, you can check out the other episodes also. So that way you can just get updates regularly. We have two showrooms in Kolkata. One is 12 Jamil Lane, Ballygunge, Kolkata 19, and the other one is 2C Cornfield Road, Ballygunge, Kolkata 19. You are all welcome once you visit Kolkata. Please do visit Sanskriti. We'll be very glad to serve you. This is a jet black Ari Kashmiri all over embroidery in black and red and dark pink. Just see the work, absolutely rich, stunning embroidery, an all-time favorite party wear with zigzag kardana border, handwork. This is the pallu, fully embroidery, 17,900 rupees, 17900, throughout work. Satin fall attached already, so you don't need the fall. This is the work throughout work. Lovely piece. I mean, all single piece. These are, I'll show you the blouse before I drape it. This is the blouse piece, similar type with kardana border. So this is the saree. Now, lovely sober net. 14 product number, 9,950 rupees. In soft net, lemon yellow, light lemon and deep lemon with gold work. To see the work. Scallops throughout. Here is the saree. Product number 14. Very smart color. Even for young girls, it will be a very pretty saree. Young girls, you occasionally they wear saree, not regularly. For them also, it's a very nice one. Throughout work. Again, the sleeves will be in with work. This is the sleeves. So again, you can just make the cap sleeves like this and make a lemon, patchwork inside. Look very smart. So this is the whole saree. Chinon black. Black chinon with paisley embroidery. The front part till your hips will have this work, and then there will be only buta. This is till your front part, pallu and the front part. This is the look. And the paisley work is also in Ari Kashmiri with handwork kardana. Just see the paisley. Beautiful paisley work. This is the pallu. Price 5,990 rupees. 5,990, a very reasonably ranged party wear saree in chinon. I have done previously a chinon episode, and these are new ones that has come up. You can have a look at the previous chinon episode, chinon and georgette embroidery episode also. This is the sari. And this will be the blouse piece. Just see the blouse piece, it will have small work throughout the blouse. 5,990 rupees only. Again, turquoise blue, peacock blue, chinon embroidery. Turquoise chinon embroidery with Ari Kashmiri. See the paisley work, thread work, back side. See the work. Very smart color and very sober, soft, comfortable, lightweight, and price 5,500 rupees only. 5,500. This is the back side again. Very rich looking party wear sari within 5,500 rupees. Chinon, peacock blue. This is the blouse piece with all over butta. This is the look. Whenever you are making a booking, I request you to send the screenshot of your product, so that even if we miss out anything, or at least the photograph will be there, so we don't send you the incorrect product. It will be exact product that you are selecting. This is the whole sari in net in a beige color with white chicken work all over with kardan and pearl embroidery throughout. Gold look, 8,800 rupees. 8,800 rupees. Scallop border, all over work, embroidery all over. This is the work. Very soft net. This is the blouse piece. Always these colors look very nice on draping. Did I tell you the price of this? If I missed out, you can of course check it in the video. This is very much in demand, you know, very smart look sari in georgette digital with thread work border, black and grey combination. Very smart digital printed soft georgette, very comfortable figure correction sari. Just see the work in the border, scallop embroidery thread work to give it a very smart look. Florals, 7,990 rupees. 7,990 throughout digital floral prints, and only one color. I only make this in black. Here is the sari. This is the sari. And a very smart printed blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. Of course, the blouse piece will also have the embroidery. 7,990 rupees. Now comes what I am wearing. I'll just show you first what I am wearing. The price is 12,900 rupees. This is Chantilly lace with, just see the embroidery, Parsi with pearl work, very delicate work, very intricate. See the back part. This is the whole look. I'm wearing a choker in jade and emerald, 4,500 rupees with rice pearls and tassels in red in the back, but you can of course put it down also. I prefer it close. 4,500 rupees. There's another color in this. Just see this work. Absolutely beautiful. Sky blue. See, it has black tassels with pearls. 4,500 rupees, and the pair of it is a pair. The elephant bangles, that bracelet that I'm wearing, it can be opened. It has a screw system, but since it was making sound, I had to remove one of this. It is a pair 2850, 2,850 rupees with stone setting, a beautiful piece, pair I would rather say. It's a pair of bracelet, 2,850 rupees. And the sari price I already told you, 12,900. I am wearing this light moss green color with matching blouse piece, and this is in navy blue. See the work, the combination, dark navy blue. ₹12,900 in navy. Throughout work till your border, that border will be going till the end, and the actual blouse piece is in satin with work. See the beauty of the work. It's a beautiful all over thread work satin blouse piece. This will be the back, and this will be the sleeves. You can make the front also whichever way you like it to wear it. This is the whole look. 12,900 rupees, all single piece. Another lovely shade I'll show you, dusty pink. This is the border. $12,900. Pale rose color, very unique shade of dusty pink. Throughout work in lace totally, and again with a satin border, satin blouse, and throughout embroidery in the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. Thank you so much for your support, for liking, for commenting, and your love and support that you are giving me regularly. Thank you so much, and do leave a comment if you want to see any particular kind of products. Thank you so much. Keep watching.